Hello, this is HVH Designer CAD beta version. We are going to do another tutorial here. We'll show you how to do a simple assembly using some existing parts. Our tutorial gonna be about a V-block. I had one, I'm gonna delete it just to make another one to show you how it works. We're gonna use this existing V-block, clamp, handle, a threaded stud. So to do this, we go to create new assembly. We're gonna name our assembly, our part number here. Let's say V block assembly. Save. It will take us to assembly environment. Here we are. We're gonna insert our first part, which is a V block. Here it is. I'm gonna turn off my plane. I don't need it at this moment for this job. I'm gonna lock in place this V block. Click on it. On mate toolbars, we have lock. We press lock. Click on it. It is here. It is. It's got locked. Insert the other part, which is the clamp. Double click on it. The clamp is here. We're gonna do some simple mate. We're gonna choose this face. Mate it to this face. So press and hold Control key. Choose this face also. And go to toolbar, coincident. Click on it. We have that here. The other mate. And we're gonna do another mate, this face. Press and hold Control key with this face. Again, coincident. We have second mate. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? So it's in right place. Okay. We're gonna leave it somewhere here. We're gonna bring our stud, threaded stud, insert. Here it is. Got dropped there. In case you need to rotate this, just click on the part here on imported models section, and you see you can rotate it any direction you wish. This way, this way. Okay, and this is gonna go, the shaft gonna go inside the hole. Again, choose the surface, press and hold Control key, choose inside the hole. Again, surface, and concentric. There we are. Okay. We have this option, and I'm gonna insert the handle, last component. Double click. Handle is here. I'm gonna rotate it to this direction. Okay. Choose the surface. Press and hold Control key. Choose the hole. Concentric. Okay. Here it is, our simple assembly. We're gonna add more details for our upcoming tutorials. Our beta version gonna be released soon, and we will also have drawing on upcoming tutorial videos. We will show you how to create drawing from solid models. This is it for now. Thank you. Bye.